Good morning, dear students. A very warm welcome to you. Dear students, open your computer book, page number 61. Now we start today's class, and our first topic is erasing the drawing. So, students, how can we erase any drawing? Okay, so the eraser tool is used to erase any unwanted part of a drawing. Okay, so we have to follow these steps to erase any drawing. So topic is erasing the drawing. Eraser tool is used to erase unwanted part of the drawing. You can see this thing. Okay, what are the steps for that? So now student, firstly click on the eraser tool. Where it is? Here it is, eraser tool. Okay, after that students, select the size of the eraser. You can see many size here. Select the size of the eraser from selector box. After selecting the size, press and hold down the left mouse button. You can see I'm pressing it. Okay, and start dragging the pointer on the drawing. I'm just dragging my pointer. Observe, the drawing will be erased. You can see that thing, your drawing will be erased. Clear? Now student, come to the next topic. Adding text in a drawing. How can you add any text in a drawing? So sometime you may want to add text in your drawing. Okay. What are the steps for that? In Tux Paint, text tool is used. Which tool is used? Text tool is used to enter text in your drawing. Okay. So now what are the steps? To enter text in your drawing, we have to follow some steps. Firstly, select the text tool. Which tool? Text tool. Here it is. Okay. After that, choose a font type. These all are font type from the letter selector. So choose whatever font type you want. You can see I'm just choosing. Okay. Move the pointer to the canvas. This is my canvas area. Okay. And this is my pointer. Just moved it. The shape of pointer change into a cursor. You can see that thing. It will change into a cursor shape. Now click on the canvas and type the text. So you can see I'm typing here. Whatever you want to enter in your drawing, I'm entering here. Happy Teachers Day. Okay. So you can any text type. Okay. So you can type any text here, whatever you want. So I'm typing Happy Teachers Day. So clear? Now come to the next topic, inserting a stamp tool. Okay. So now students, a stamp tool is a sticker that you can paste on a piece of a paper. Okay. Likewise, stamp tool in Tux Paint allow you to paste the ready-made picture on your drawing canvas. So you can paste any ready-made picture on your drawing canvas. Okay. So Tux Paint has a lot of inbuilt stamps. So we are having lot of inbuilt stamp in Tux Paint. What are the steps? Click on the stamp tool. Okay, first step is that. Now student, select any stamp. These all are stamp. You can select any stamp here. Okay. After that, move the pointer to the canvas area. You can see I'm just moving it. Okay, now click on the place where you want to paste the stamp. So I want to paste here, just clicking here. Okay. So you can paste any stamp here. Next topic, drawing shapes. How can you draw any shape? Tux Paint allow us to draw different shape using shape tool. Which tool? Shape tool. Okay. The unique feature of this tool is rotation. What is the feature? Rotation. It can rotate. A shape can be rotated to any angle on 360 scale. Clear? Let us draw some shapes here. Firstly, click on the shape tool in the toolbar. First step. Okay. After that, you will see various filled and unfilled shapes in the selector. So this is my selector. You can see. Select the filled square shape from the selector. So I'm just selecting. You can see that thing. Okay. Now Click and drag the mouse pointer on the canvas. I'm just dragging it. Okay, release the mouse button once you have completed the square. I'm just releasing. Okay, the outline of the square will be placed on the canvas with a rotation handle. This is the rotation handle. This type of mark is there. So you can rotate the shape as per your need. Clear? Now one notice here. Okay, there are 22 different shapes available in the subtool box of the shape tool. How many? Now next topic is magic tool. This tool is used to add magical effect to your picture. Okay, we can add magical effect by the using of magic tool. Where it is? Here it is. Okay, in the magic tool we are having grass tool and flower tool. Okay, in the magic tool we are having which tool? Grass tool and flower tool. If I want to select grass tool, firstly we have to click on which tool? Magic tool. Then here it is the grass effect. Okay, just like that. Here also if I want to choose flower tool, firstly magic tool, and here is the flower effect. So now just look it here for practical. So our topic is grass tool. Okay, it is used to draw a grass in your canvas. So we can draw grass. First step, click on magic tool. Okay, after that just click on grass effect. Which effect? Grass effect. Okay, after that just choose the color. I'm just choosing dark green color here. Okay, after that either click on or drag the mouse pointer to draw a grass on the canvas. So now you can draw a grass on the canvas. Clear? Flower tool. Now what is flower tool? Why we use it? It is a tool using which you can draw flowers on the canvas. You can see beautiful flowers are here. So by the using of flower tool, you can draw beautiful flower. First step, click on magic tool. Okay. After that, what is the second step? Second step, we have to click on flower tool. Which tool? We have to click on flower tool. So now you can see I'm just selecting the flower tool here. Where it is? Here it is. Okay. Second step, click on flower tool. Now students, from the color palette, choose red color. You can choose any color, whatever you want. Okay. After that, bring the magic wand over the canvas. You can see. Okay. And click to paste the flower. So now you can see flowers are here. So now you can draw beautiful flowers on the canvas by using flower tool. Our topic is saving the drawing. How can we save the drawing? What are the steps? So look at here, very simple. Click on the save tool. Which tool? Save tool from the toolbar to save the drawing. So I'm just clicking here. After that, this type of dialog box appear. Click on yes or no according to your choice. Okay. After that, closing the tux pane. How can you close the tux pane? What are the steps? Look at here. First step, click on the quit tool. Which tool? Quit tool, that cross sign. After that, a box will appear. You can see this box. Okay. Next step, click on yes button if you want to close the file. So I'm just clicking here. You can see. Click on which button? Yes button if you want to close the file. Clear? After that, you can see again dialog box appear. Click again on yes button if you want to save the file before closing. Because saving a file is very important. So click on yes again. Clear? So we have to follow these steps if we want to close the tux paint. Come to the next topic. What is the next topic? Opening the drawing. How can we open any drawing? So what are the steps? First step, click on the open tool. Which tool? Open tool. Okay. After that, students, select the drawing that you want to open. You can see many options are here. So we have to select the drawing. Okay, like this one. Okay, then click on open button. Clear? So you can open your drawings. Clear? Revise this. Thank you. Have a nice day, student.